Just a fair warning, vegans and vegetarians, maybe not watch this video.
You and Sunny. What you doing?
Hey guys, welcome to Friends of Ood-Kind Media Productions. I'm Dr. Ood. Ood Delta's filming.
Hello.
Once again guys, thank you so much for 50 subscribers. If you do enjoy our content, please do hit a like and subscribe below. But this is part 2 of our 50 subscriber special. Ood Delta requested that I make spaghetti. Well, the first thing I'm going to use, I'm going to defrost it. It's been in the fridge, but I'm going to put it in the fryer and defrost it. And also, I'm going to put seasonal oil.
Where did you get this seasonal, Dr.
In the grocery store.
Which grocery store? Any store that sells food.
Just look for seasonal.
With the noodles, we're going to use this pot-sized thin spaghetti. Where did you find this, Dr. Ood?
That was at Food
Find
Line.
this at Food Line in the spaghetti section. Fill it up to about this much.
And then season oil, some more season oil in there. As it's called season oil, you can season everything with it.
Water's gonna look a little rustic, and it's supposed to look like that because of the season. I'll sort of take a butter knife and do that.
Yeah, and take a butter knife.
These two things. A spatula and whatever the heck that
Spoon.
thing is. A spatula and a really big spoon.
Okay, well this meat is starting to defrost and cook, so that's good. My dad used to say, when it's brown it's done, when it's black it's buggered.
Always just keep it moving as if you're making scrambled eggs.
I also added a little bit of vinegar to this as well. I guess one I'm going to put a little bit of butter in there.
And why would you put butter in there, Dr.
Because
Ood?
it softens up the noodles.
Dr. Ood, I have a question.
Okay.
What's that brown liquidy stuff in the bottom?
This?
Yeah.
That's the grease. It's the fat from the meat. And I put it in the deep fryer. Because you never want to put this in a drain. Do not pour this down the drain. Never, ever, ever pour this in a drain. Put it somewhere safe, like in a metal container, or as I do, in a fryer. Yeah, this is pretty much. That's oil. That's where I put my oil. Never, ever, ever put it down the drain. Hold up.
So basically, don't put grease in the drain.
Do not ever put grease down the drain.
So yeah.
Warning kids, never put grease down the drain. Dr. Ood has told you.
I have another question.
Oh boy.
How can you tell when the water is starting to boil?
Because you see it steaming up and bubbling.
Once it's finished, it will sort of look like this.
I'm going to use some pasta sauce. Doesn't really matter what flavor, I'll go meat
You
flavor.
gotta make sure that there isn't any pink anywhere, or else it's not done. Okay. Are you kidding?
Okay, watch carefully children. Never do this, always get an adult to do this. If you are under 12 years old watching this, never do this. Always get an adult to see strainer over the fryer, which isn't plugged into anything yet. And just all that grease
Goes into the fryer. If you want to see how Dr. Ood makes his French fries in the fryer, or anything else with it, like mozzarella sticks or whatever, leave a comment below and leave a like on this video.
I can do. Turn this sauce into the meat. You say tomatoes and I say tomatoes. You say potatoes and so do I.
You're just getting the juice out. You're just getting the juice out. And you're making a mess.
It's a tomato plant, Natalie.
Yeah, this is definitely a kitchen chaos thing.
Yep.
Kitchen chaos number 2, yeah. And Sunny, what are these humans doing? Someone you're cooking this for prefers not to have tomatoes in their spaghetti, but you do.
Just put it in a separate bowl. If everybody that you're cooking for likes tomatoes, plunk it in there. I usually turn them all the way down to off. Always remember to turn the oven off. Turn the burners off when you're done with them.
Yeah. What are we gonna do now?
Drain the noodles. Use the same strainer.
And there's gonna be a lot of steam, so don't be scared by it. What are you doing now?
Serving it up. We're trying to.
You put the noodles evenly on the plates.
Make it look a little pretty.
Look at that. Look at that. Mmm. Look at that.
You want to top it off here? Leftovers
Just,
in the Tupperware. Squid will get stuck to it.
And
It will attract bugs. You don't want bugs.
sponge. I found it, this sponge.
That's the date that you put it in there.
Well, can you erase it? What you want to do is on the Tupperware, you put the date.
I'll tell you what it is. I normally don't keep it for a few days, 3 days at most.
But be sure to use a dry erase marker.
Sock.
So I just wrote this. What are you going to do about these, Dr. Ood?
I'm going to use a spoon strainer on it.
What Dr. Ood is using right now.
See, look, all the strain, drop the water, all the juice, and then just put on top. And it's smooth.
And you do the same thing that you did with the ground beef. Look at that.
So anyways guys, that is how to make Dr. Ood spaghetti. So anyways guys, if you did enjoy this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe if you want some more content like this, or if you enjoy the general content of our channel. And if you did like this guys, please do share it with a friend and get our channel noticed. It does help. Until next time, always try to be nice.
Never fail to be kind.